Hello friends, today I will be introducing the pieces and telling you how they move. This is a pawn. There are 8 of them in the board. The pawn can move 2 squares on the piece's first move, like this. On the next move, it can only move 1 pieces. To capture a piece, it needs to move diagonally. It cannot capture vertically. Next, we have the king. The king is the main piece of the game. It moves in any direction for 1 piece, like this. Next, we have the queen. The queen moves vertically, horizontally, and diagonally. She is the most powerful chess piece in the board. Next, we have the bishops. The bishops move diagonally, like this. Next, we have the knights. The knights move in an L shape, like this. Can also move in an L shape like this. Next, we have the rooks. The rooks can move vertically and diagonally. Vertically and horizontally. Bye friends.